How to use Google Lens on your Google Pixel phone. Now, I'm currently using the Google Pixel 8 Pro, but this should also work on Google Pixel 8 and most Google Pixel devices. So, to get started, first in the search, type in Lens. Now, the application should show on top. Just click on it. Now, I have this product. Let's say I want to search for this product. So, just take a picture of it. Just going to take a picture. Now it's going to show me information about this product online, and I can choose from different options. So click on products. Now it will show me information about this product. I can search whatever I want. Here there's all, show me all the information online about this product. That's how to use the Google Lens on your phone. Thanks for watching.